dispatch. What's your ETA?
Yeah, about 5-10 minutes.
Perfect. Your load is ready. And Mike, it's a hot load.
10-4. Got it.
Please be advised, Mike. There has been multiple reports of cicada.
Oh, cicada? Oh, that's a funny way of saying a demon. Man, they just little bugs. How bad could they be? I'm Gucci. Oh, God. What in the King Ramses is this? Man, who did not return this lob? Is this the trailer that I'm supposed to be picking up? Yeah, this is it. Oh, whoa, what in the world is that? Oh, no, no, no. Not today, Satan. Not today.
Dispatch.
Dispatch. I can't pick this trailer up. There's cicadas on it. I ain't going near them cicadas, man. They deep. There's a whole squad out here, man. It's a whole squad. Ah! Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Remember, guys, shoot for the moon. Even though you miss, you'll be among the stars. Thanks again, guys. See you on the next one.